Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Astral Dimension. So this is the podcast regarding the strength, willpower of a person and how to see willpower of a person and strength of a person through their birth chart. So there were many people who wanted content in English, so I'm making this one particular podcast on this special topic. So let's understand how we can see strength and how we can see willpower of a person through astrology. See, if we really want to see willpower in a birth chart, we really go towards the third house. Because third house is the significator of willpower of a person, strength of a person, how courageous a person is. But if you are talking in general sense, then we have to see moon. Because in today's time, no matter how courageous you are, no matter how intelligent you are, no matter how bold you are, if you are not able to manage yourself emotionally, if you are not able to regulate your own emotions, your strength will never be seen. So in order to see strength of a person, in order to see willpower of a person, we really have to see their moon, how their moon is placed in their chart. So if a person is so dependent on, we can say, validation of other people, on words of other people, on body language of other people, then we can say that no, this particular person is not that much courageous. Because if a person is putting so much energy, so much focus on what other people are saying about him or her, or what other people are discussing about them, then the strength is totally gone. So in a birth chart, first we need to see moon, then we need to see third house. Then comes the third point. To see strength, to see willpower, we have to see Mercury. Now, it can sound like a shock that why we need to see Mercury. We could have gone for Sun, we could have gone for Mars or even Saturn, but why we are saying Mercury? Because Mercury is the one planet that controls nervous system. And if a person doesn't have a strong nervous system, then that particular person cannot withstand the test of time. Because if nervous system is strong, then you can deal with any kind of panic, you can deal with any kind of emergency. So nervous system is one area that we can say is the core strength of a person. And nervous system is really important part if we want to see strength and willpower of a person. So sometimes you may have seen that in very uh, deadly moments, or we can say in emergency situation, some people who are very bulky, very dominant, very aggressive, sometimes they become really vulnerable and soft and silent because they cannot handle the intensity of that particular moment. And in that zone you will understand and realize that okay, this person was not as much strong, this person was not as much courageous as they have always portrayed to be. And someone who was very meek, who is very silent, who is very we can say vulnerable, suddenly that person becomes really strong in those moments. So this is the power of Mercury, because if nervous system is strong, then you can withstand anything coming on your way. That is the another thing. Now, how we can see whether Mercury, third house, or moon is strong or not? The first thing, Mercury and moon are really strong in earth element signs: Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. Mercury is exalted in the sign of Virgo, and Mercury feels really comfortable in Taurus and Capricorn both. Even if Capricorn is ruled by Saturn, still Mercury will feel comfortable there. Then comes Moon. Moon will feel comfortable in Capricorn, Moon will feel comfortable in Taurus, and Moon will feel comfortable in Virgo. No issues in that, because in the end of the day, you have something to stand on. That is the earth element, power of earth element. So these two planets will feel really comfortable in earth element sign. Now, suppose these planets are not in earth element sign, but they are in earth element houses, second, sixth, and 10th. Then also they will have the strength. But yes, sign strength is really stronger than the house strength. So that is another thing. Then comes the third house, how we can see that third house is strong or not. If the lord of third house is well placed, suppose your third house is ruled by sun and sun is present in first house or 10th house, these are considered strong placement. If third house is ruled by Mercury and Mercury is present in first house, or we can say ninth house, this is strong placement. If Mercury is present in the third house by being lord of third house, then again this is a strong placement. So we have to see lord of the third house. Especially Lord in the first and 10th and ninth are very strong. And even in fifth is it's strong. So these are the three categories in which we can see strength of a person. And always remember, strength will come from these three. You can see it anyone's chart, and third house, moon and Mercury. Then comes the other things. If we have to see whether a person can say boldly that okay, this is the right thing to do or this is the wrong thing to do, even if someone is standing against a very influential person, then we have to see sun. But these are secondary. But if a person is not able to regulate themselves from their inside, then they cannot show that amount of willpower, because people can fake confidence, people can fake con- we can say confrontation, people can fake fights, but they cannot fake the internal regulation of their emotions, their nervous system. And that is why we are seeing these three to see the internal strength of a person. So to see that particular area, we need to check all these three. So if you have any questions regarding this particular topic, you can ask me in the comments. I hope you will understand the things that I'm saying. But if you really want to understand it in depth, then you have to, we can say, relate it to the other charts. The charts that you are seeing on daily basis, your own chart, charts of your family members, you have to see it from that. So you can attain the realistic experience as well. So if you have more questions and doubts, you can ask me, I clear them out. Thank you.